Welcome to Charts from the Media. Today is December 19th, 2013. We'll be taking a look at three charts of 3D Systems, ticker DDD. We'll take an investor's view and add a day trader's view. This is a very interesting stock. It has run from $10 to $80 since January of 2012. This week, Trade Ideas LLC identified DDD as a momentum candidate. The article is on the street. You can read it on the street or on CNBC, and it's dated the 19th. On the 18th, Fast Money's final trade had it as a negative or to fade the move. So the charts that we're going to take a look at to see how the charts are actually going with the fundamentals and the news that's out there, we'll take a look at the weekly chart, looking at the pros and the cons of the chart and the fundamentals identified. We will take a look at the daily chart, looking at the trend lines and the oscillators, and then we will take a look at the point and figure chart with the target that it has. The first chart we will look at is the weekly chart. We will take a look at the cons and the pros, and then the price action and the oscillators. So for the cons, the stock has gone from $10 in January 2012 to $83 just a couple weeks ago. First, we will take a look at the weekly chart. I pulled a little bit of fundamental information to put on here as well. So for the cons, the stock has gone from $10 to $83 in just under 2 years. Are people going to start taking profits at some point? On the CNBC website, if you look under insider sentiment, it actually has it at negative right now. Fast Money on the 18th had the final trade, had a sell on it or actually to fade the position. It has met its point and figure price target of $82. We will get to that in two more charts. The PE ratio is 180. That's a very large PE ratio. It appears to be making a double top in the price, and divergence is possibly forming in the oscillators. For the pros, Trade Ideas LLC identified 3D Systems Corp as a momentum candidate. Please refer back to the article on the street. Pretty much looking that it could gain momentum at this point. A breakout above the previous top would be bullish. It also goes on to say that momentum before a pullback, so be careful of that. Either way, trend lines should be watched closely and tight shops should be used if trading. So if we look at the price here, this is at a 50-week moving average. Came up off of that. We're looking at a double top at the current time. We've had much higher volume this year than we've had in the past, and here's the most recent volume. As for the oscillators, they are in overbought territory, but they are not giving a reversal signal yet. Taking a closer look at the price action, this is the daily chart. We're approaching that double top. It has lower volume in that second top area. So here would be the first top, and here is the second top volume. The oscillators are showing somewhat divergence, but they have not turned down yet. So on the second top, we have lower highs in both RSI and the stochastics. However, it could be a momentum play. Price trend line has not broken on the downside, so the trend line is still in place. Oscillators have not fully turned down, and a breakout taking out the previous high could thrust prices further. Taking a look at the point and figure chart, it had a bullish price objective of $82 that has been met. Again, you're looking to see if it's going to break out that previous high. So we're actually at a kind of a turning point or a very important point in the stock right now. So if you're interested in the stock, definitely there's a lot of information out there right now where you can read about it online, get the fundamental aspects, but taking a look at the charts, normally I would say its giving high is looking to be in the overbought territory. However, it has not given a reversal signal yet. We don't have the full divergence signals. And if it breaks through that second top on high volume, it could be a little bit more bullish indication and a little bit more room to run. Thanks for watching. Visit chartsfromthemedia.com for definitions, learning tools, videos, and more.